Hello and welcome. In couple days I will receive new updated version of this therapy light with digital controls and extra wavelengths, but I thought before I show you the new one, I will give you a review of this light because I've been using it like for more than 2 months now. So if you're interested in budget-friendly but good therapy light for your family, please stay with me. So about 2 months ago, I bought this light with my own money. So this video is not sponsored, but I am affiliate with Mito Red Light, and this gives me opportunity to give you a discount. So if you consider getting a red light therapy device from Mito Red Lights, you can use my name as a coupon code and you will get it cheaper. Okay, so let's get to this light. This therapy device belongs to the middle range line, which is called MOD. It comes from modular, MOD modular, which is one of the biggest strengths of this device because it allows you to connect with other lights and also allows you to use a table stand or other types of stand like horizontal or vertical. This gives you so much more opportunities to customize your therapy setup. This device has got 60 LEDs, half of them are red, half of them are near infrared. It has got simple controls, just 2 switches, one for red light, one for near infrared light. Comes with the table stand for free. It's worth mentioning again, the table stand comes for free, and in other companies you have to pay £100 just to have something like this. So I think it's already a bargain. I like it looks and it's very easy to use. Basically, you just position yourself in front of the light, turn it on and wait about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's basically it. And because it's small and it's got a table stand, it's very versatile. On my other YouTube channel, which is specifically about red light therapy, I demonstrate in several videos how I use this light for different types of therapy, like for instance for head, in bed, for sport, and many other applications. This small therapy device, it's so versatile that basically whole family can benefit from it, because children can benefit when they have problems with acne or other skin problems during their growing up period. Adults can use it, of course, to improve their skin on their face and also with some aches and pains in their muscles and joints. And elderly people can also use it to have better quality sleep and also release some joint pain and inflammation. So for $250, you have a device that all the members of your family can use it for many, many years, anytime. It's so unbelievably convenient. And for some people may say yes, but it's still $250. But bear in mind that they give warranty for like 2 or 3 years, depending which model you buy. So that means they are quite convinced that this light will last at least 3 years, but nobody says it's not going to last 5 or 10 years. They just usually give warranty like this. So let's say this device will work for 5 years. Every day you can use it, you and the members of your family, at any time you want. So for instance, you feel ache and pain in the evening, you just set it up and turn it on. You feel a little bit tired in the morning and you want to boost your energy, you set it up in the morning before you go to work. Your child fell over during the football match and had a sport injury, you can help speeding up the recovery process. So let's say for 5 years you can use this light many times for many different applications. And you don't need to go to anyone, you don't need to find a parking space, because of course you can go to some spas and other establishments where they offer red light therapy. But of course it will cost you money to get a session, probably at least $20. Then you have to go there, come back, it costs you a fuel and of course your time and the hassle with driving in the busy traffic and finding a parking space. This eliminates these all problems. You have therapy device at home anytime you want for only $250, but actually you can get it cheaper because you can buy it using my name as a coupon code. I think it's a no-brainer. If you are into red light therapy at home, consider this one as a very good purchase. I recommend this model because I've been using it for almost 2 months and I'm very, very happy with it. But I also recommend the latest model, the updated model with digital controls and more wavelengths. It's going to come to me in 2 days, so please bear with me, subscribe if you are new to this channel to check out information about this new light, because perhaps you would like to benefit from these digital controls and extra wavelengths as well. By the way, I've got 2 lights. So I've got this small light because I wanted to buy it for my wife so she can do face therapy like this on her beauty desk. So basically she sits in front of the desk and does the light therapy every day. And I also wanted to use this small light to shine on my hair so it prevents losing more hair. But I also have a larger light because I believe in the whole body benefits. So the light goes in whole body, it improves the energy and the functioning of all the organs, not just that specific place where you shine the light on. So that's why I use both lights, the big light and the small light. So my advice is like this: if you are new to red light therapy, get yourself a smaller light first, test if it works for you, check if you are enjoying, if you are reaping benefits from it, and then, if yes, get another one. And the good thing is that you can connect one to another. So for instance, I can connect my big light with this light to create a larger panel which shines even more on my body. And I'm going to do exactly this in a couple days as soon as I receive my new light. So that one will be used by my wife for her beauty therapy, and I will connect this one to my larger one to create a larger panel for my full body sessions. And this light you can use on the table, you can use on the floor, you can use on the bed, you can also hang it on the door, on the wall. I've been researching red light therapy market for many years now, and I'm affiliated with several companies. So if you are interested in different models or different brands, check out also in the video description, because maybe you are interested more in platinum LED lights or, for instance, Rouge or light path therapy lights. These are interesting because they have a pulsing technology. I don't say that this is the best light on the market, no, but I feel like this one is one of the best lights for somebody who wants to start red light therapy at home, and that's why I bought it for myself. I'm a frugal person, I don't like to spend a lot of money on things when I can have something much cheaper and doing the same job. I feel like this particular model offers the best bang for your buck. So for less than $250, you've got great therapy light, which is much better than handheld device because you don't need to hold it all the time. It gives you 5 times more light power and is so versatile that you can use it on the table for face therapy, you can use it on the floor or on the bed to do, for instance, head therapy. You can use it on the wall or on the door to do all kinds of therapies for all different parts of your body, and the whole family can benefit from it. In my opinion, it's a great therapy light and I strongly recommend it. And if you want to get model with digital controls and extra wavelengths, which is of course much more convenient and beneficial, go for the higher spec model, which is called Pro 300. And the other thing is that if you are not sure if it's going to work for you or not, you can purchase the light and you have 2 months to establish if you are happy with it or not. They give you 2 months trial period. It means use the light for 2 months, test if it works for you, see if you get benefits from it or not. Is it nice? Is it comfortable? Do you benefit from it? Brilliant, keep it. If you don't, then just go back to them and they will return your money. So thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in light therapy, please check out the information in the video description below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. See you later.